Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just unpack nansi indaba kuSenzomeyiwa. Hey, futhi yabona indaba kaSenzomeyiwa inkosi impela ibuhlungu. But we're not giving up. We have to help them. I still pray for them every day. Guys, please don't forget on Sunday we live. And then we've just started the lives also on Saturdays now. But on Saturdays we just concentrate on the highlights of Madlanga and ad hoc. Hey, nakhona iy'ndaba zalapho. They are hectic ngoba sekuthiwa noJulius Malema is actually involved. I'm just like, yo, fanele nginihlebele ezinye indaba. 8 p.m. on Saturday, the 14th of March. I'm sure, guys, if you always watching the Senzomeyiwa trial in High Court in Pretoria, you saw this. Umnisi wanted to just have like a meeting. Ubaloyi actually is the one that said Umnisi wants to have a word with the court, and then he was just telling Judge Rata to listen, or the courts rather. Ngizoba meeting. We're actually having a consultation basically with the accused. Kuthiwa makufika on those chambers asazi kwenzakaleni, but kuthiwa nje the accused, all 5 of them, were fuming. But I'm just like, oh guys, ubani ufuna uratha? For me, it's not even about love or like for uratha. Uratha must stay at home, guys, and do gardening. It's time. Akusekho right. Uratha must spend time with his wife now. Yeah, guys, it's not working. Like I had said, using a joke, and it's actually not a joke. Also hallucinator in that court. Guys, guys, it's wrong in so many ways. And someone was even saying, Uramaphosa uyena olethe uratha kahlala. And I'm just like, guys, we don't care at this stage. Rasa's days are over. We're done. Like, and we can't start all over the case like it happened with Maumel when Judge Rasa came in. We can't. We are tired. Rasa must stay at home, guys. It's a lot. They accused that just like a simple. When is Mjiyako gonna come into when people are talking about you all the time, all day, every day? I'll come to that court and I'm here. So what were you saying about me? I will do that. Shame if I was advocating Dominic Dogozo Mjiyako, I was going to come. Imagine, guys, who even says things like that? Ngapha Ubaloyi, the whole week, the whole 3 weeks, Ubaloyi has been saying the same thing, and Ntanzi has been telling him the same thing. Babaloyi, I cannot repeat myself enough with you. I'm actually so exhausted by it. I'm annoyed a bit because I've been telling you one and the same thing. I did not have the phone. Mojano and Mapena had my phone. I did not have a phone. Like, you keep on asking me stuff I don't know anything about. I was tied up actually at the back. So how do I even do please comments to my mom, to get to Kilebukile, to everybody just to say I was busy calling? You can't be serious, Balu. Please just leave me alone. It's actually the logo, guys. I'm so proud of him again. And I said it about 2 weeks ago. Ngati, I am proud of him. He's another person. He's not the same person on trial within a trial. He has grown. And I think it's the whole thing. You know what? I don't care anymore. I've been very in jail for 5 years and I am going to tell my story. I'm not going to be played by Ubaloyi and his entourage. Oh, Gininda no ban. But now, vela khuluma ngithi iphoyisa elikhulu Gininda. Angithi iphoyisa elikhulu. So how does it happen ukuthi mina nginephoyisa elikhulu and bathi umkhano wayebhiziness phone nginephoyisa elikhulu but I'm able to be doing stuff on my phone? And umkhano, I'm still saying, but wayebhiziness phone umkhano, and I said, oh, please call me. I'm just like, these people, guys, they are just so wrong. And it's just taking too long for me, for these people to be arrested for defeating the ends of justice. Guys, let's just face it and stop sugarcoating it. Bazenzele kwaze kweqaqe case. As it's actually extra now. We can't anymore take it. Bese kuzoba uratha. Kuratha akasafuneki kuthi uratha kahambi. Vele there's been a call mina ngasho ngoDecember when uSifiso Meyiwa said ukuthi he must go now. Yeah. It was uzasho futhi uSifiso Meyiwa athi ubrigade yakhe Ninda kangicabanga ukuthi uzusisiza. I don't know what was wrong with me, but no muntu will never help us with anything. Same no Judge Rata. He came in. Mina, guys, I even have a video of Rata. I said, oh my gosh, you know, 3 years ago, imagine. Oh my gosh, Urata is so great, and he's a soccer player. He was playing soccer, he's the best. He used to play for Pirates. Oh my gosh, you just understand that basically in this case. No, he doesn't. And the whole thing, we would say this case is such a high profile case. It's not. Because if it was a high profile case, it will be treated as such. Bangisho no advocates end. The new Hawks NBA head. He was just like, can we just leave the prosecutors to do their job? I was just like, no, bruh. You're not where we are. But we could decide in late when you on your own. Or you with the state, whatever. Like, I'm just like, does he even understand us, this guy? Where we are. We want the Maywas to get justice in. That's all we're looking for. Senzo's mom must get justice for her son. You know? Okay, I saw Kelly again doing rounds again. Talking about Umakhumalo. Ezekhala, she was even crying with Kelly. I was just like, bruh, you still on with Isitembu. You were in Isitembu. We want ourselves. Guys. Please, let's face it. Just as much as Nike, no, wafele. At the end of the day, ukeli besenzani. Wayesethembini namhlanje uzothi ene. And she did say something about Sistembu about 3 weeks ago. She was just like, abantu abasethembini benzani, you know. I'm like, don't criticize the Sistembu abantu, just leave it. Bakhona abantu abasa-understand that. What's the whole problem? Women alone. And then today she went on to say, there are videos going around. She went on to say, Makhumalo must just leave Musa. It's just crying, guys, literally on that video. I'm just like, this girl. She needs to stop. That's all she does, you know. I haven't seen Kelly dressed up in months because she has no gigs, no music, nothing. And I said it on my other video last week. Just last week. It's the same as Senzo Meyer. Senzo Meyer came here to work, guys. He couldn't work anymore. Go back. What did you like him? But you can't tell us anymore what happened to him. You don't care. When's lama video ku Kelly? Kelly hasn't dressed up in a very long time and come out. Busy on the videos on TikTok. That's all she does the whole day. Because which gig is she gonna go to? Except for the one ikudala wayebizosomiza ngazi noba then actually vele bamshaya ngamakhasa ama-orange no banana bathi sisawuseke nama-can cans. But please leave us alone. This was the last time I saw her in some, and apparently she was rude there. Waba ansara wawatshela ama fans, please leave me alone. Just she told them basically where to get off. Imagine. So now you're not gonna have a career. Was cut short. Guys, we need to look at it like that. Guys, people's blood. You can't go around and now be saying, oh no, Binanje, I don't even watch the trial anymore. It's so exhausting. I can't. Like, you can't be serious right now. Because you are the one that actually invited him in. But manje, you can't tell us what happened to him. Okay, guys. Okay. We can't take that. So, Uratak is the same. Nai. Homun. Gapuntanzi na is like, I've just told you. For the past 3 weeks, again today. I am not going to back down, and I did not have a phone. Please call me as Mina. No. Rata is very silly, guys. Azuti and it's not here. Say, chips or parrots. Like, I'm just like, honestly, guys, online 1962. Please stop. Like, it's not the same thing. It will never be the same thing. You should have gone crazy, actually, on that. Because it is hearsay. We all know. They created all these things. Into Engeko. You know? It's like, nah, I've ruled. It's hearsay. Make that's yes. Urata, guys. Untanzi is just exposing Brigadier Kininda and his entourage, especially Brigadier Kininda, especially on this one. He's just has been exposing him. It's just like ubizwa ngokuthi Brigadier, but there's nothing that shows ukuthi he did sign for me. And also, I was actually arrested by Mohano and Mabena And every time a police station, if he was there, then ugininda yindaba ngekho ama records. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. Ugininda guys. Oh, it just caused havoc. Oh my gosh. Like this case is so messy. uThuntanzi wena baloyi you busy relating a story uBrigadier Gininda, and you know ukuthi that's not the truth. Brigadier Gininda never came to see me with this lawyer yakhe le uMjiyako. I think they're actually very good friends. Yeah, just angithi we've never really seen them together like we've seen him uBrigadier Gininda no O'Sullivan, but abangani, he was just like goza wena, and then ube umuntu who's actually standing up for Ntanzi. Untanzi is like refusing. Oh my gosh, akayifuni into kaMjiyako. Untanzi, he goes crazy. It's just like, yay, those two people never came to me. Know nothing about Brigadier Gininda. Where is it? Where they signed ne lawyer yakhe uDominic Ntokozo Mjiyako. Where is it? Yabo. Ubaloyi vela thulu yamazi, and then he continues to read. Ubaloyi shame does die hard. Guys, ngizovala nje ngokuthi uBrigadier Gininda uyenzile into yakhe. Yena and his entourage. Buka manje uNtanzi is actually damaged when you look at it. Angeke asaphinda nje abe right uNtanzi, but it's just like, you know what? Ngifuna nje ukuphela la emhlabeni kodwa after explaining my story. Ngoba this is my story. This is what happened to me. Ngidlala abantu manje, I'm being forced by ubaloyi to agree to phone calls, guys. Kanjani when mawubosha uyathathelwa ifone, even Khomutso Phahlane, the general said it, ukuthi phone will be taken from you. But uNtanzi must just be like, okay, no, it's fine, ngiphethe njani. And uzuyasho ukuthi iphoyisa elikhulu uBrigadier Gininda, why would I have my phone? And nalento futhi ukuthi ubaloyi, every time when we've been repeating this one for the whole week, every time uNtanzi is asking him ukuthi ngicela iproof, ayiphumi iproof. But Advocate George Baloyi continues to read izinto zakhe lezi engekho zinga-exist, eziyi-fake, ezi-manufactured and fabricated and cooked. I said, no, show me the proof. Show me the proof. No, proof ayiphumi. And even Mjiyako vanished, like I'm saying. He's nowhere to be found. I mean, I'll never not come when people are speaking about me and act like a ghost. When I have a practice and I'm registered as an advocate, people busy tarnishing my name in courts. I'll come and be like, I'm here. What were you saying about me? You know? It's crazy. So, guys, for now, but otherwise, this evening we are actually live at 8. We are just talking about this whole criminality that's going on in South Africa and people getting away with things. Because my thing is that out of 5 people that have been talked about, Gininda must just be arrested, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen anytime soon. You heard what Indy said. Good to know Baloyi is actually, and his team, doing a great job with Senzo Meyiwa's case. But progress. Which progress? When the Meyiwas are not getting justice, it's like Lamanga. No. Thank you so much, guys. Ngizonibona kwi live this evening. Ngingakhohlwa futhi na Sundays sine live at 8. Now today it's 8 p.m. Ngithanda over. Thank you.
To Mr. Mjiyako's number ending 7605.
Number yakho egcina ngo6890 nge-19 ku-October 2020 isikhathi u-9:52 ama-second awu-45 iyathumela uthi please call me kunumber kaMjiyako egcina ngo7605.
And just less than a minute later, your number ending 6890 on the 19th of October 2020 at 09:53 09 seconds sent a PCM or please call me message to Mr. Mjiyako's number 0790397605.
Wathi emva nje komzuzu owodwa inamba yakho egcina ngayo u6890 nge-19 ku-October 2020 isikhathi u-9:53 ama-second awu-9 iyathumela please call me kunamba kamjiyako u-0790397605.
Yeah, Mr. Ntanzi, do you have any comment regarding these two PCMs of the 19th of October 2020?
Kukhona ongakusho ngalaba please call me ababili bange-19 ka-October 2020?
Mina phambi kokuthi enkantolo ngithenga ngenafoni ifoni ngehlwana ngoJune 16.
I said it before this court, my lord, that I had no phone. I parted with my phone on the 16th of June.
If you can turn the page over to page 193. It's page 193 of 200, case ID 1031227. Your number ending 6890 on the 27th of October 2020. You'll recall that that is the date on which you appeared at the Boksburg Magistrate Court at 08:04:33. Sent a PCM, or please call me, message to Mr. Mjiako's number 07903976605.
Inamba yakho egcina ngo-6890 nge-27 ka-October 2020 uzokhumbula ukuthi ilanga leli owavela ngalo enkantolo eBoksburg isikhathi 08:04:33 amasekendi. Iyathumela please call me kunamba kamjiyako 07903976605.
Do you wish to comment regarding this PCM message of the 27th of October 2020?
Kukhona ofisa ukusho ngalo please call me wange-27 October 2020?
Mina ngingenafoni phambi kokuthi enkantolo ifoni ngahlwana ngoJune 16.
I had no phone, my lord. I parted with my phone on the 16th of June.
And labo callback abaveza amathawu ukuthi ngangimcallback uCorjack wakiphi ithawa yakhona.
And these please call me, my lord, do not indicate the towers as to from which tower was the please call me sent.
Ngoba mina ngalesikhathi lesi uyasho umshushisi ukuthi angise court.
Because at this particular time, as the prosecutor is indicating that I was in court or was attended court.
Yes, you were due to attend court on the 27th of October 2020.
Yebo, wawuzovela enkantolo nge-27 ka-October 2020.
Now, altogether, the 12 PCMs sent from your number 6890 to Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605 from the period 31 August 2020 to 28 October 2020.
Behlangeneke, please call me abathunyelwa-ke babe u-12 bebuya-ke kuyona inamba yakho 6890 beya kuyona-ke inamba kamjiyako egcina ngo-7605 ukusuka-ke ngesikhathi i-31 October 2020 kwayofika-ke ngeyi-28 ukusuka uqala ngeyi-31 August 2020 kuyofika ngeyi-28 October 2020.
Mina ngiyakuzwa akusho phambi kodwa mara mina ngangenafoni.
I hear what you are saying before the court, but I had no phone.
Ngoba lapha namanje lokho ngikhalile phambi kwecourt. Mangathula ubuke sona lesikhathi acallback ngaso phinde nemba kamabhena ngezathi nayi callback hiyo. Ukuthi lenze izinto bezikahle kahle kwenzakalani ngale phone.
Because I complained before this court, because if you look at the time when the police call me was sent, at that very same time, Mabena's number was also sent a please call me. So you then ask yourself, what is it that is happening?
Ngehla ibani Timbo 084
Kuphi?
leba abathe kamjiyako. Lega mabhena iwanthi naye yabona kushiyana nje ngesikhathi esincane ama second.
There's just a difference of seconds in time with regards to this number that is claimed to be Mjiako's number and Mabena's number.
Thank you. Can we then move to the calls between your number ending 6890 to Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605. Starting at page 15 of 200, Exhibit DD 5E, Roman figure 1. Still case ID 1031227.
This is not necessarily an objection. When the question was first posited, reference was made to the 23rd of October 2020, and my learned colleague mentioned something to the effect that there was an interaction between or amongst himself, Brigadier Gininda, Mr. Ntanzi and Mr. Mjiako, but that was never completed. I don't know what was said in relation to that in particular.
Yes, firstly, Council is referring to 23rd October. We did not refer to 23rd October.
So 23rd June.
We referred to 23rd June 2020. That according to the evidence of Brigadier Gininda, that on the 23rd of June 2020 at Pretoria North Police Station, that there was interaction between him, Mr. Mjiako, and Mr. Ntanzi.
On that basis, my lord, on that aspect of the proposition, I object and say that that is unfair, my lord. What Gininda says, it's hearsay. Mr. Ntanzi denies that he has had an interaction with Mjiako in the presence of Gininda, and Mr. Mjiako hasn't been here to testify to confirm what Gininda has told this court.
What do they say? The leading hearsay evidence.
Well, we putting the evidence of Brigadier Gininda. It's not hearsay. He was there. It's something that he himself experienced.
That's what he says.
Yes, and we've put his evidence on record.
Exactly my point. That's what he says. What does Mjiako say? Mjiako hasn't been here.
No, but he's making a submission that he's quoting the evidence of Gininda,
Yes, indeed, my lord.
not any other person.
Yes.
So as I understand it, if Rata says I play for Kaizer Chiefs, that can't be hearsay. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, but we've seen Rata playing for Chiefs and Pirates.
Yes.
It can't be hearsay.
If I play for Pirates,
It's not-
1962 up to
Yes.
70, it's not hearsay. And I
But
play
have
for
we seen
Chiefs,
Mjiako and Gininda and Ntanzi?
it's not hearsay. They have ruled. It's not hearsay.
That's the conclusion.
Okay.
Masiqadelela ke inkulumo leyo ke qala ke uthi ke umshushisi kona konke lokhu akushilo ke ngokubufakazi bakhe uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi ke kwakhona ke ukuhlangana noma ke bandawonye ke ngazo i23 zika June 2020 uyena ke wayekhona umjiyako kanye futhi nawe ke